Hello, my name is Dwayne Callahan, and I'm a Senior Solution Engineer at VMware, based in Seattle, Washington, and I'm currently working on the vSphere 7 labs. Now, vSphere is the server virtualization platform that delivers essential services for the modern hybrid cloud. It has now been re-architected with native Kubernetes into an open platform that enables you to run existing enterprise applications as well as modern containerized applications in a unified manner. Now, this lab covers all the new features that are in the latest release of our vSphere hypervisor. In this lab, we'll cover topics including the new identity federation, improved certificate management, as well as a brief introduction into the recently announced vSphere with Tanzu.